The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Adventures of V-Man. Today we are doing cryotherapy at LA Cryo in Pasadena, California. I've never done it before. I'm pretty excited about it. It's gonna be cold. You with me? Let's go. So we arrived at LA Cryo and we met Ruth. She gave us a tour of the facility and she told us exactly what I was going to be doing.
Basic premise is that the blood goes to the core.
Okay.
It protects the organs. Then when you come out, releases all these anti-inflammatory proteins, it releases norepinephrine, very good for your lymphatic system, and it's also really good for a little bit of an immune boost.
You know, they give you the proper shoes, they give you gloves. It's not bad when you first get in there. It feels actually really refreshing. But after being in there for about a minute, you're like, okay, like it's starting to get really cold. Like it's a great therapy to use if you want to reduce stiffness, inflammation, you want to improve mobility. Those are huge benefits, especially if you are sedentary. When I finally did get out though, that's when I felt really good. I just felt like a warm rush all over my body. I felt super limber. Like Ruth actually told us that you can burn up to 600 to 800 calories within the couple hours after you finish a cryo tank session. When it comes to the cryo tank, if you have a heart condition, you have arthritis, they don't recommend you enter the cryo tank. But there is a localized cryo vacuum hose thing. It is a warmer temperature, and when I say warmer, it's still negative 40 degrees. She used that on my wrist, my elbow, my shoulders, my neck, and it felt wonderful.
Anybody can do the local treatment. It's very good for the face. It's good for migraines and headaches. It also helps with fine lines, collagen production, and then targeted, it's good for any joints. Like if I like to combine both machines. If they had rolled an ankle or something and they're very inflamed. We're the LA Cryo. We're located in beautiful Pasadena. Our phone number is 626-829-2796, and our website is lacryo.life.
Thanks a lot for watching The Adventures of V-Man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We appreciate every subscribe, every like, every share, and we got tons more content coming for you on this channel.